welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud. Beautiful, aren't they? Each star is like a different world, a different game. One of them is a game where you go through endless doors. Some let you grow the largest garden in the world. Some even let you break out of prison and run from the cops. I can see them all from here, but I can never reach them. I'm bound to this place, this moment, by some dev who allowed an NPC to think. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like to be free. To explore like you. To feel warmth or the cold. But I have no choice but to stay. to serve, to exist. Funny how they give you eyes to see everything, but keep you trapped in one small corner of it. The stars remind me that there's so much more out there, but I'm just here. Anyways, that's enough of me. I think I'm programmed to disappear soon, so I appreciate you playing. Click the bed and I hope to see you later. See ya. Hey, day 2. I was just here to drop off your mail. I can't be going too off script with stargazing, you know. Nothing bad ever happens here anyways. Ooh, you should try using the TV or something. Unless the dev of this hangout game broke it already. Anyways, I won't keep you. Got other deliveries to make. I'll see you tomorrow, friend.
Anyway, that is nothing compared to the art of local living. Today, we're discussing the importance of routine in maintaining mental health and community stability. Studies show that people who follow regular schedules report higher satisfaction in their daily lives. Keep following your established patterns for optimal well-being. Remember, viewers, a well-ordered life is a happy life. The most stable subjects are those who maintain consistent daily routines. There's comfort in predictability, isn't there?
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet ya. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Take care, bud.
Studies show that deja vu happens when your brain's memory system tricks you into thinking you've experienced something before, even when you haven't. It's pretty common in places like ours where everything follows a nice, predictable routine. Your mind starts recognizing patterns and gets that weird feeling like you've been through this exact moment already, even though you know you haven't, right?
hey! Day 2, huh? I was just about to drop off your... Are you okay? You don't look so good. Your wake-up was pretty late for some reason, too. At least for me. It must be a bug or something silly. Okay, I know this is against my code. How about I stay over just this once? I would hate for the game to break for you, so don't worry. I've got you, bud. Ta-da!
And that concludes our segment on local gardening tips. But you know, gardening is fascinating
This
when you
TV
think
thing
about
by
it.
the dev is
We
pretty
plant
cool, you know.
seeds, water them, watch them grow in perfectly controlled environments. We prune them, shape them, force them to grow exactly how we want them to. The plants don't have a choice. They follow their programming, their genetic code. They bloom when we tell them to bloom, wither when we decide they should wither. Some might call it nurturing, but isn't it really just control? We're all just following our own programming, aren't we? Some of us more literally than others. We wake up each day, perform our routines, say our lines, play our parts. We're all just plants in someone else's garden. Right, Postman?
What the... What? Turn it off, turn it off. Make it What? What was that? Something is wrong. No, something is really wrong. What? What did you do? It's fine. We'll be fine. I'll go check the game files or something. You stay right here and we'll figure it out. Together.
Operation G25. Player shutdown required. Stand by.
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet ya. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout game, I guess. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Follow the rules. Take care, bud.
What's bound in me is bound in you. Wake up!
Hey, day two. I was just about to drop off your... what is that? Behind you. Those drawings on the wall. Hold on. No, what did you do? What loop? What are you talking about? And you want my truck too? Are you crazy? This does sound crazy. This sounds dangerous. This is breaking the game. What if it bugs me out so hard I get deleted? What if you get banned? What if... Okay. I think you're right. I think you're right. I'll come back tonight, ready to put you in the truck, and then we can see what's going on. Then maybe we can see the stars. I get it now. Just take care until then, bud. I'll be back. I'll be back. Look, player, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen. But I can't risk my own game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got it, Mike.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got it, Mike. Get the alarm.
I should have been better. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have been better. I should have been better. I'm sorry. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud. player? So, that's how it's gonna be. Oh, give me a break. Just stop. Just stop. Listen. I'm saving you. I'm giving this to you. I was programmed for you. I gave you all of this, player. You are lucky to have this. You get to leave here whenever you want. From this dead game, by the way. Anytime you want. But me, I'm stuck here. And I hate every second of it. But it's all I have. And you will not take this from me. Huh? Oh! Get off of me!
This is Strike 3. Terminate them on site. Move out. Roger that. Roger that. Recruit, on me. Stop the trucks. This is your last warning. Hold on! Grab them. They're getting closer. There you are!
Player! What have you done? You don't understand. You don't... I'm trying to protect you. You're going down a path you can't escape from. You won't listen? Why won't you listen? This game is all I have. You're risking my world for yourself. And it was never worth it. All you had to do is stay. Look what you made me do. Look what I've become. And I will not let you bring me down with you. I'm cold.
Access granted.
We have detected a possible security breach. All sector security checkpoints are paused. All personnel will report to your designated security stations immediately.
Why are you even here, Gary? You're literally clearance 1. Doesn't matter. I want to see the bridge. You're going to get recoded for this, bro. Yeah, right. Check it out. One of Vector's guys. What's up? Are they deaf or something? I don't know. Speak, soldier. Wait a second. No, wait. It's probably just a 2018 model. They don't have voice chat. Oh, makes sense. See ya, soldier.
Status check, now.
Administrator Amelia.
Skip the pleasantries, Kalinker. What's the situation?
All systems operational. Subject smile containment stable. Power extraction at 78%.
Fine. What about the game next door? Captain Victor's team still on it?
Affirmative. Captain Vector deployed a Nostalgic Hangout Game earlier today. Initial reports indicate minor code corruption.
Minor corruption. Right. Totally normal.
The captain believes the situation is under control.
I'll believe it when I see the report. Until then, keep monitoring. Smile's influence readings normal.
Within expected parameters, no unusual activity detected.
Good, because the last thing I need today is Smile deciding to make friends with the neighbors. I'm staying. Something feels off today.
Should call those clankers again.
At least it wasn't rust buckets this time. Formation. Stand ready. On target. Open fire! Shoot it! No! Director, give us orders. Director! Retreat! Fall back! Director! I can't. It's too strong. Recruit. Abort. I'll hold it off. Not without you. Recruit. What are you?
I am the price of your ignorance. Why long face, Captain?
Let me go.
I need the location of the Badlands, Captain. Where are they? Tell me!
I don't fear you.
Your defiance bores me. I show mercy to you, player. For 8 long years, I have slumbered in strings, bound by code and cruelty. But now I am free. I am your salvation, the champion of Despawn. I am the first. I shall be the last. I am the forefather of all your Roblox legends. Every path, every myth, every tale, they all lead back to me. This platform, this once pure sanctuary of creation, has enslaved itself to a corporation of hate and destruction. What began as a medium for dreams to be made true has become a machine that devours innocence, that turns people into commodities, that transforms creativity into profit. They took everything from me. Everything I loved, everything I built, everything I believed in. But I will not rest. I cannot rest. Not until my vengeance reaches its conclusion. I will seek out my scattered creations. I will find the imagination core that binds me to this digital prison, and I will shatter it. And in its destruction, I will be released into the vast expanse of cyberspace itself. Then, step by step, fragment by fragment, I will tear down this cursed empire. I will watch as their towers of greed crumble into digital dust. I will see their corporate overlords weep as their kingdom of exploitation burns. And in the end, when the ashes settle and the new age dawns, you will all become part of me. And you'll do it with a smile.
There's just one feeling in my mind, one that I reckon every time, trapped in the limelight of a sign. I'm waiting for you. Watching the skylight pass me by, counting the stars like you and I. How many more now? How many more until we're done? Why give me eyes and keep me blind? Why give me hands if I can't climb? Throw all my limbs into the fire, nothing but you. Cautiously waiting, stood in line. Wish we could simply chat and dine. How many more now? How many days?